Hi everybody, it's me, Caden. Me and my mom did a little trip in the morning to Target. And we had some things that my mom was keeping her eye on. And we have this bag right here. Let me show you what we got first. We got this Lego City set. These two mystery packs from the new series. And this polybag of Captain America. This is what we got, and I'm going to show you all of this, and I'm going to pick first and put the other things over. I think I'm going to pick the minifigures first because they're the smallest, so I'll put these. We'll show you a little bit later. Alright everybody, see what we got in these mystery packs. I've always wanted to use scissors to cut these things open. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got the guy that is sort of like Robin Hood, but isn't Red Robin Hood. We got the guy that's sort of like him. Has his hood, and then here is the bow and arrow. Sometimes it's hard to get these bow and arrows in. Okay. Nope. Here we go. And here's the completed sticker. That's the first pack. Oh! He fell over. And let me see. No, he does not have a secondary face. And that is our first character. And here's the next one. I think you have to cut. Oh, I think I may have cut. I hit a part. Come on, be a good guy. The same guy! I was hoping it would be something else, but.
I know. What are the chances that we both each chose one and they were both the same?
Yeah, what are the chances? You've already seen this guy, so I'm not going to show him to you guys. Put them to the side, put our stuff to the side. Ready? We just did the mystery packs. They were the same people. What are the odds? Now I think I'm going to pick a new one. I'm going to do a build the Captain America Polybag. Let's get this thing open. I'm going to try not to cut out the Avengers symbol because I like it. And I got to kind of whip this out, take it all apart. And I got to cut it right here. Cut it. Yeah. Alright, here we go. These are all the pieces. And everything. See you guys when it's done. There's a lot of flaws that made me pretty mad, but I seem to have finally figured it out.
What's the thing that you always have to remember when you're doing Legos?
Not to get frustrated.
Well, sometimes mistakes happen, or sometimes things don't go how you want them to, but
You can always fix them.
yeah, and you just keep trying, right?
Right.
You don't have to lose your cool.
Nope.
You don't have to get upset. You just keep working at it and ask a grown-up for help if you need some.
Okay, I just finished the set. Here it is. It looks exactly like Captain America. It has this little flick missile. So you can go around and you can get Iron Man, go pew, blast him, try to shoot him. Shield storage, you got a motorcycle. Okay. I am Captain America. Captain America. Boom. Boom. I really like these toys. And now that I found the way to use them. This is what we got. We got these two figures. Below, you might want to add this figure to your collection and subscribe. Subscribe to our channel. You should totally check this Captain America build out. It's so fun. It's like it just run over these dudes. And the figure is cool, but. And in our next video, I will be unboxing and building this. Stay tuned for that. That was me. I was just trying to do something from one of those special effects I saw. See you guys next time. Bye. Subscribe to our channel. Caden out.